Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, August 28th. I'm James Spann, still watching the radar carefully this evening for the possibility of brief, isolated tornadoes. Otherwise, we think the weather should be a little drier tomorrow as the weekend begins. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and of course, what used to be Laura dominating the circulation here across the southeastern states, now a trough that's beginning to recurve into the mid-latitude westerlies north of the state. There's a look at the visible satellite view. Again, clearly a swirling system that's coming out of Arkansas, moving into Tennessee and Kentucky. That'll be moving east, and we are south and east of that swirl, meaning some of the spiral bands might try and rotate. So far, that has not been the case in Alabama. That was the radar at 226, and you can see multiple bands rotating up into the system there across Alabama, but so far so good. We'll still watch the radar trends carefully this evening. One good thing, temperatures are mostly in the 70s, and that's keeping the air relatively stable, although Tuscaloosa's up to 83, Haleyville 84. We have flash flood watches for parts of the state. We have one flash flood watch for the northwestern counties and one for some of the central counties for the rain that comes down this evening. These tropical showers are very efficient rain producers. And a tornado watch for the northwestern corner of the state until 4. That includes Lamar, Marion, Winston, Lawrence, Franklin, Colbert, Lauderdale, and Limestone. We'll see if the SPC renews that or extends it in just a bit. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Up north, got a risk of severe storms from Des Moines over to Baltimore and Philadelphia. Of course, down here we have that risk over about the northern half of the state. And again, that's for the possibility of a few spin-up, brief, isolated tornadoes this evening. Tomorrow, the SPC has kind of moved the marginal risk out of Alabama, mostly to the north. And on day 3, which is Sunday, the main risk over the Great Plains. But again, a low-end marginal risk over the northern part of the state. Maybe a few storms with strong gusty winds. We don't expect a tornado problem on Sunday. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals for the northwestern corner of the state. 3.5 inches for the shoals, 1 to 2 inches for most other locations. Let's talk tropics. Hey, we got a long way to go this hurricane season. Laura is well inland. We have 2 waves the Hurricane Center monitoring, those with low chances of development in the short term. But this is the 5-day outlook, and that easternmost wave now with a medium chance of developing. And the lead wave should wind up in the Caribbean by early next week. Still way out there, just something to watch for now. The Gulf at the moment is quiet. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a deep upper low that's over eastern Canada. And down below that, the remnant circulation of Laura should be sweeping off the Atlantic coast. And for us, the models suggest we'll get a little surge of drier air. And that doesn't mean the state's going to be dry. We'll still mention scattered showers, but not as wet as today. Partly sunny with highs 87 to 90. And then Sunday, moisture deepens again, so we'll probably see an increase in the coverage of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. Again, upper 80s are likely. Monday, occasionally cloudy, scattered to numerous showers and storms. And then Tuesday, the moisture begins to decrease a bit, and that'll be the case for Wednesday and Thursday. Could there be a few showers? Yes, but it looks like the middle of the week, relatively dry. And then a week from today, Friday the 4th of September, pretty good-looking trough north of the state. And again, it got a cold front trying to push in here. We'll see if that front can make it. So let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, September 7th. Again, that's a cool trough digging down across the Midwest and the Great Plains. And again, it looks like the cool air gets close, but not quite getting down in here. But it's almost that time. This is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean 1.5 to 2 inches, although some of the members go over 3 inches for the next 15 days. Highs mostly upper 80s for the next 10 days. Lows 70s and upper 60s. And yeah, look at the blue shades on this map. This is the new CPC Outlook, September 5th through the 11th. suggesting some really cool air coming down across parts of the upper Midwest and the high plains. And again, maybe a little bit of that reaching in here. We'll just have to wait and see. Typically, the first good front of the fall season comes in mid to late September. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be posted here by 7 o'clock Monday morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.